welcome back to another professional prep video. In today's professional prep video, we'll be talking about the fundamental theorem of calculus part 1, also known as FTC part 1. Alright, so I'm going to go over it pretty briefly and then give an example problem, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Alright, so let's just quickly go over what is the fundamental theorem of calculus. So this is the quote-unquote formula or sort of guide to solving FTC part 1 problems. So example, say if you have g prime of x, g prime of x, and then you set that equal to the integral of a to x of f of t dt. Sorry for my messy handwriting. Alright, so basically what you want to do when you're given a problem like this, you take this x value and you just plug it into t. That is basically what you're trying to do for FTC part 1 problems. Alright, so for example, let's go through a practice problem. So say if you have, let's do h of x. Whoa, let me do this. Alright, h of x equals the integral of x to 2 of, let's do cosine t squared plus t. Alright, okay, that's the difference between the t and the plus, and then close the bracket, and then dt. Alright, so what do you think we should do? Now, what you want to do first is you want to flip the x and the 2. So in order to do that, here, let me try erasing it. Alright, so in order to doing that, what you want to do is you basically flip the integral and put a negative sign in front of it. So let me show you here. So remember how it was x and 2? Now what we're going to have is up here, we're going to have x and 2. Like right here was 2, right here was x, and then you have a negative sign in front of it. Alright, and then to apply this sort of like formula or guide, you would then plug this into here, and then this into here. So the final answer would be h prime of x equals negative, because you can't forget about the negative sign over here. Then you plug in the x upper bound, cosine of x squared plus x. And there you go. That's pretty much how you do FTC part 1 problems. This is a very basic problem. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Now, before I end off the video, I want to talk about 2 things. The first is to check out all our social media and give them a follow. I know on our Instagram, we're posting a lot of Java content where we basically like review a bunch of our videos in one graphic. We'll probably continue that, but doing it with calculus next. Also, all our other social medias will keep you up to date on any video that comes out. So please give those a check. Please check those out. And my second thing I wanted to bring up was the free virtual tutoring program that Rutvik and I launched. We basically launched it during this pandemic because we realized that it's hard to get good quality education nowadays with the remote style of learning. I know sometimes you'll have to really use YouTube to learn by yourself. and that's why we wanted to help you guys out and put out this free virtual tutoring. Rutvik and I currently do most of the sessions, but with more students, we can get more tutors and then help you guys out. So please please check that out. All the information is located on our website, and all that will be located in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, really, thank you so much for listening, and have a great day, everyone.